Okay, we're going to Tractor Town. Patty, we're gonna make a video just Tractor Town. What's this place called, Patty? What's the farm called?
Bengston.
Bengston's.
There's no T.
Bengston's.
Bengston.
And it's a massive family farm. And we're gonna do a video, even though we've already ridden this, we're doing a video just the dark ride. And you see the ride cars are made for 2 little kids in the front and 2 bigger people in the back. And there's our car, our tractor. What? Little kiddie ride? They have rides everywhere.
Blue again.
Oh, no, I bet you it's the exact same one.
Just waiting for us. Have our tractor.
Here we go again. You know, there's an old saying, till we meet again. You know, but last time I got in first. You're scary. I mean, you're scaring me.
You're scaring me.
All right. Now, you've ridden this ride before. What'd you think of it?
That's my favorite.
It's your favorite. And I can't even believe a family farm has something like this. Now, you gotta watch the full video of our point of view of walking around, but we wanted to make a video just the dark ride. And it's very much like Cars from the Disney ride.
It's really cute.
It's very similar to Cars that's in Disney California Adventure in Los Angeles.
Yeah, but I would imagine, you know, farms who do agri-tainment were doing fun-loving characters like that even before the movie Cars came out.
Well, I'm not saying he copied Cars. I'm saying it's similar.
If anything, they might have copied the farms. You don't know.
Well, he's had it here for a long time. And it's very cute. DJ Jazzy Clock, love it.
For those of you who don't know, Larry used to be a DJ, and he was DJ Larry.
Yeah, just DJ Larry.
And what was your line, Larry? Let's hear it.
Oh yeah. That was the line.
The line was, oh yeah. Don't
Oh,
forget to tip
yeah.
your waitresses and bartenders.
Oh yeah, don't forget to tip your bartenders and waitresses out there.
Yeah, hello there. Russ T. Sheller here. I am a 1929 authentic corn sheller.
That's
Life
true.
on a farm was hard work for a truck like me, but now they finally let me relax. I'll tell you what though, I'm still ready to work if they need me. Just a quick tune-up and a little corn oil under the hood, and I'm good as new.
Corn oil. That's a real truck that used to shell corn. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it is crazy.
And they turned it into an animatronic.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
And that's not a real windmill like you can see that it doesn't go into the ground. That would pump water. So wind turns that and then turns the pump and pulls water out of the ground.
Did you say water or oil?
Water.
Wouldn't that be
These chickens have
oil?
no sense of humor. Oh, you guys are right in time. Maybe you'll think I'm and eats like a horse. A zebra!
Oh, her joke last time was funnier.
Oh, sorry. I was just thinking about me.
Look at that thing. Like, how did you even move it in here? What do you think of this little dark ride?
I love it.
It is absolutely incredible, and I can't even believe I'm seeing that this dark ride on a family farm.
It's awesome.
And that is the whole ride, folks. Watch the full video.